that was fast, eh? I was still trying to discover what was the tacos that we ordered. So we got here and it was like, we'll have this. I like speaking to people, you know? You speak to somebody and you say, I'm feeling like this, what do you guys do? What is it? Like, do you have something, is it a sandwich? Is it, you know, just talking to people. So we got rissage de leitão, which is croquettes. Leitão is a suckling pig. So today we are celebrating. I'm celebrating by myself. Unfortunately, Luis is not hungry. And we've come out to Theo's and we're just enjoying our time a little bit. We've got some tacos on the way that looked like they were from perdiz, which is partridge, right? Passion fruit soda. Used to drink this as a kid. It was pretty good. I like it. Virgin, you know. I'm can't drink at the moment, so no ponchos today. You sure you don't want to try one of these, Luis? I just killed the design, eh? I think you're supposed to eat the whole thing. Andrea's bringing cinematic lights already at, what is this? It's not brunch, what's between lunch and dinner? Dinner? I'm gonna tell you how good this is. If you don't know, you gotta come out, check out Theo's, it's pretty awesome. But this video is not about Theo's, it's about Andrea and about his latest conquest. We're actually gonna surprise him, so he doesn't know that we're coming. Well, he knows we're coming, but doesn't know that we're filming because he doesn't have enough footage, all right, of him receiving good things, all right? So I'm very happy. I can't wait to see the premiere of the documentary that Andrea is sending out today, or releasing today. It is in fact a premiere, a documentary premiere. Super excited. Okay, this is it, final verdict, and we're leaving. Oh, this is my favorite one. Wow, the tacos were amazing. But this is my new favorite of the three that we tried today. So thank you, Theo's. We're gonna enjoy this. And we're gonna go and meet up with Andrea. I'm excited. You got the money suit, bro.
Half of it.
Ah, yeah. You good?
Estás a gravar?
Já viste. It's your special day, bro. There they are. So, in case you didn't know, Andrea's done he's releasing his premiere of this new Funchal documentary. From what I understand, it's like a 24-hour day in Funchal from like 6 a.m. to 5 a.m. kind of thing. And each hour or something like this is somebody different working in Funchal, from like the bus driver to the guy, you know, doing the plumbing and changing the tires, and who knows, to be honest. But he's been on this project quite a while. That's also why we've been quite busy. It's a great thing for PopSec. This is now the second screening of the day. The first screening was for the VIPs. You know, now they're letting in everybody else. And yeah, we got our tickets. So I'm super excited. I'm excited to see this work. You know, I used to say, this is insider things. I used to say that we had you know, an awesome director with a cinema grade camera. Actually, no, I take that back. It was a cinema grade director behind a cinema grade camera. And now I've been saying that we've got an award-winning cinema grade director behind a cinema grade camera. All right, but today we're behind Luis's camera, which is also the same camera as yesterday, yeah? Same camera, good stuff. Can't wait to see this film too.
Gotta release it online.
Like how?
YouTube.
Oh, cool.
For everybody to see.
Can we say that? Or?
Maybe you can. Yeah.
Coming on YouTube soon.
Yeah, and maybe we can show it on RTP. RTP Madeira on
Cool.
TV.
RTP Madeira on TV.
See.
You know, this is like, I think it's like my second time in theater. Can you believe it?
Second time.
I think it's
So
like,
you get mesmerized all the time about the ceiling, right?
I think so. It might be the third time.
Third time.
I was supposed to play here. Like
Supposed
once.
to play here?
Yeah, Alex.
That's a big deal.
Studio 3.
Fun together. So Jeff had to run. He had some urgent stuff to attend to, but I was surprised that he came with Dinesh on the other side, with Wiz on the other side, And it's interesting because Jeff mentioned that usually in these settings when I'm presenting something different, like in this case a documentary, all the time, since it's me all the time behind the camera and I'm not with a camera, these moments don't get to be shown around, don't get to be filmed, don't get to be photographed sometimes. And yeah, thank you, Jeff, for bringing Wish and showcasing what just happened. So basically, this documentary is about the life and work of 14 workers of the government in Funchal specifically, from firefighters to people cleaning the streets, the calçateiros, which are the people who put each stone on this calçada portuguesa, people that work just everywhere, you know, the gardeners for the parks that we have here in Funchal. And we made a documentary showcasing the human aspect of these people. And very soon, hopefully, this documentary will be online, and hopefully as well with subtitles in English that you guys from all around the world that have ties here to Madeira or are enthusiastic about what happens here on the island can enjoy. Let's see the future, how the future goes. And thank you so much to Jeff. Thank you so much to the Câmara Municipal de Funchal for making this happen, and for all the people that let me tell their stories on the big screen. So I think in order to close up this this video, we have to grab something to eat. Don't you think, Wish? A burger? Maybe a burger. Let's go. Let's go to this new place, and maybe Jeff will be pleased with the food porn that we have prepared for you. Let's go.
Guys, real life emergency there. Unfortunately, I had to jump out of André's premiere, and at the hospital, small family emergency. Doesn't seem to be anything crazy, but it is at 9 o'clock at night, which means has to be at the hospital. So I'm sorry guys, on that bombshell, that's me signing out for today. I hope that André got to finish the video well, and that was André's day after all. I wanted to leave something positive out there, and the documentary was amazing. The fact that just new light on Funchal and the municipality, the county of Funchal for all the Americans. I love the name. I don't know if André, that was your name or if it was a name that was given to you, but love the name. I'm hoping that by the time the video comes out, it should be on YouTube for the municipality of Funchal. But on the way here, we already saw I saw a group of municipal workers cleaning what seemed to be a tube, and some guys taking out the trash. And here we are, greatest city, Funchal. Not the place you want to visit, but hey, it's part of life, right? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know what's coming next. It's been a crazy couple of days. It's going to be a crazy couple of days. Hopefully this doesn't make things worse. Again, this channel is all about positivity, and it's all about work, so it's not about my life or whatever. So yeah, André, well done. Can't wait to see the rest once it's up on YouTube. Much love to you guys. I have to go. Ciao.
So, of course, we need to eat. So we came to a very special restaurant in Funchal called Londres, which is London in Portuguese. It's a restaurant from 1976, and it's very popular amongst locals. And this type of restaurant is very reminiscent of the Lisbon type restaurant from the 1980s, late 70s maybe, early 80s. So this kind of style that this is typically a lunch restaurant. So this during lunch is always full every day of the week. And it's quite nice to have a table for us during dinner time, but it's actually 5 to 10 and they're still open. They close at 10, but we're gonna still eat. So I'm eating tuna steak with onions, this kind of cebolada kind of deal with sauce. And it's gonna be great. And there's a lot of other stuff on our table, and we're gonna dig in and end off this video with a ching ching with Wish, come on. With a mug of beer. Wish?
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road. It's been a while since I'm in front of camera. So, not used to it anymore. So don't get used to it. You guys, don't get too used to it. Don't get used to it. Jeff's got this, okay? So let's dig in. Cheers.